Today we discussed some mixed problems on permutation and combination. Here in one problem we use both permutation and combination. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, out of 7 consonant and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? So here we formed a 5-letter word. Okay, a 5-letter word. 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be used. 3 consonants can be selected from 7 consonants. So, 3 consonants selected in 7 C3 ways and 4 vowels can be selected in 2 vowels can be selected from 4 vowels in 4C2 ways. Okay. So, 7C3 into 4C2. That is, there are 7C3 into 4C2 groups, each containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels. Also, in each group contains the 5 letters, and these 5 letters again arrange in 5P5 ways, that is 5 factorial ways. So we multiply it with 5 factorial. So here we multiply it with 5 factorial. Hence, the required number of word is 7C3 into 4C2 into 5 factorial. That is 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 5 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. After calculation we get 25,200. Next problem. How many 5-letter words containing 3 vowels and 2 consonants can be formed using the letters of the word equation so that the 2 consonants occur together? Okay. In the word equation, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 vowels. In the word equation, we have 5 vowels and 1, 2, 3. 3 consonants. Okay. 5 vowels and 3 consonants. 3 vowels out of 5 and 2 consonants out of 3 are chosen in 5C3 into 3C2 ways. Again, can be formed using the letter of the word so that the 2 consonants occur together. Here 2 consonants. In the 5-letter word, 2 consonants occur together. So in 5-letter word, 2 consonants occur together. So take the 2 consonants as one group. So we get total 4 letters here. That is, we can arrange it in 4 factorial ways. Also, the 2 consonants can be arranged in 2 ways. So the total number of ways equals 5C3 into 3C2 into 4 factorial into 2. Okay. Here we have 5 vowels and 3 consonants in the letter of the word equation. So, here we form a 5-letter word containing 3 vowels and 2 consonants. This can be formed by 5C3 into 3C2 ways. Also, in this 5-letter word, the 2 consonants occur together. So here we have 4 blocks. That 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial. Also, the 2 consonants two consonants occur together, that consonants can be arranged in two ways. So total number of ways is 5c3 into 3c2 into 4 factorial into 2. Next problem, how many words with or without meaning, each two of vowels and the three consonants can be formed from the letter of the word daughter. In the word daughter, we have 3 vowels and 5 consonants. Okay. 3 vowels and 5 consonants. So, we can form a 5-letter word using these 3 vowels and 5 consonants. Also, in the 5-letter word, 2 vowels and 3 consonants. 2 vowels from 3 vowels in 3c2 ways and 3 consonants from 5 consonants in 5c3 ways. Also, in the 5-letter word, we can arrange the 5 letters in 5 factorial ways also. So, the total number of ways is 3c2 into 5c3 into 5 factorial. Next problem. A box contains 5 different red and 6 different white balls. Okay. A box contains 5 red and 6 white balls. How many ways can 6 balls be selected so that at least 2 balls of each color? At least 2 balls of each color. Okay. 6 balls are selected, but red, definitely that in that 6 balls there is at least 2 red balls, also at least 2 white balls. The remaining will be red or white. Okay. This can be made by either 5c2, that is we choose 2 red balls from the 5 red balls and choose 4 from the white. So total 6 balls can be selected from this way, or we can select as 5c3 into 6c3, that is 3 red and 3 white, or we can choose 5c4 into 6c4. Okay, sorry, 5c4 into 6c2, that is 2 white ball and 4 red ball. These are the 3 ways. Okay. So the total number of ways is 5c2 into 6c4 plus 5c3 into 6c3 plus 5c4 into 6c2. So total 425 ways we can select the 6 balls. Okay.